In the aftermath of a disaster, chaos and confusion often prevail, making every second critical. This is where disaster relief becomes vital, aimed at alleviating immediate suffering. At the core are volunteers, the unsung heroes, who frequently become the first responders. Their dedication and selflessness provide essential aid to communities in dire need. Picture this: a community devastated by a hurricane, with blocked roads and downed communication lines. Volunteers step in, bridging gaps and offering hope. Volunteering in disaster relief is more than a noble act. It exemplifies human compassion and resilience. As we explore disaster relief, we'll uncover the profound impact these volunteers have on communities. Join us on this inspiring journey. Volunteers are the backbone of disaster relief, stepping forward when the world seems to be falling apart. Their role is critical. In the wake of a disaster, chaos and confusion reign, but volunteers bring order and hope. They are often the first on the scene, assessing needs, distributing supplies, and providing medical care. Consider the volunteers who wade through floodwaters to deliver food and clean water, or those who lend a listening ear to survivors, offering solace and understanding. Their responsibilities are diverse and demanding, from logistics coordination to hands-on support in shelters and clinics. Yet, it's not just about the tasks they perform, it's about the impact they have on the communities they serve. Volunteers breathe life back into devastated areas, helping to rebuild homes and restore livelihoods. Their efforts ignite resilience within affected communities, showing them they are not alone. Through their selfless actions, volunteers inspire others to join the cause, creating a ripple effect of compassion and humanity. They transform tragedy into a testament of human solidarity, proving that even in the darkest times, there is light. In every act of kindness, they lay the foundation for recovery and renewal, reminding us all of the power of community and giving back. Volunteering in disaster relief comes with its challenges. Volunteers often find themselves amid chaos, facing unpredictable conditions and limited resources. The physical demands can be immense, with long hours and strenuous activities testing their endurance. Yet, the emotional toll is often the most daunting, as volunteers witness firsthand the devastation and heartache of those affected. Despite these hurdles, the spirit of volunteers remains unbroken. They rise to the occasion, driven by a profound sense of purpose and empathy. Take, for instance, Sarah, a volunteer who braved harsh weather and sleepless nights to aid a flood-stricken village. Her resilience inspired others, turning despair into hope. Volunteers employ various strategies to overcome these obstacles. They rely on teamwork, drawing strength from each other to push through difficult times. Training and preparation equip them with the skills needed to adapt and respond effectively. Moreover, community and organizational support provide a vital backbone, ensuring volunteers are not alone in their mission. In adversity, volunteers demonstrate remarkable determination and ingenuity. Their perseverance aids immediate relief efforts and sets a powerful example of human resilience. As they navigate disaster complexities, they remind us of the strength found in unity and compassion. Volunteering in disaster relief extends beyond immediate response. It has an enduring impact on communities. Volunteers bring more than aid, they bring hope. Their efforts accelerate recovery, helping communities rebuild their lives. The long-term benefits of volunteering are profound, strengthening community ties, fostering resilience, and inspiring cooperation. Volunteers leave a lasting legacy, as their contributions echo through the lives they touch. Community members often express deep gratitude, sharing stories of how volunteers have transformed their lives. These heartfelt testimonials remind us that the power of volunteering extends far beyond the physical aid provided. It's about human connection, shared determination to rise above adversity, and collective effort to rebuild stronger. In every act of kindness, there is a ripple effect that spreads throughout the community, creating waves of positive change. Volunteers are not just rebuilding structures, they are rebuilding hope and dreams, laying the foundation for a brighter future. Through their selfless acts, volunteers demonstrate that even in the darkest times, humanity's light shines brightest. Join the movement to make a tangible difference in the world. Your time and effort can bring hope and healing to communities in crisis. Volunteering in disaster relief isn't just about responding to immediate needs. It's about being part of a larger, compassionate effort that rebuilds lives and strengthens bonds. Whether you have skills to share or simply a desire to help, there's a place for you. Take the first step today. Connect with local organizations, sign up for training, and prepare to make an impact. Every volunteer counts. Become a beacon of hope. Volunteer today and be part of the solution.